Okay, y'all, so I'm all about repurposing old furniture. We found these stools. They're actually being tossed out from somebody that was moving. And so we have them, and all they need is a bit of a paint job. So you can see where the paint is kind of has rubbed off on the original. And this is one I've already repainted. So I did this one in this is the stuff I used. The Rust-Oleum American Accents, and this is in the color Espresso, and it is a matte finish. I didn't want glossy, so I went ahead and got the matte one, and or satin. It says satin. I call it matte, but yeah, and it's a paint and primer, so I didn't need to use a primer on that because it's already a primer with it. And so, like I said, I've already done this one. I probably need to go over with another coat, but this is what I've done so far. And again, this is how it originally looked. This is the end result. Sorry about the sun glare, but it looks a lot better. I think that's a good shot. And it only took one can. When this dries completely, I might do one last coat. But I got it all fully covered. So they're like brand new. It's like brand new, y'all. Repurposing old furniture. Cost less than $5 for the 2 of these bar stools, and that's just the cost of the paint. So, thank you guys for watching.